Okay, after the completion of properties of definite integrals, we come to the exercise 7.11. Now, in this case, the problems are purely depend on the properties of definite integrals. We see the third question. I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 3 by 2x upon sin raised to 3 by 2x plus cos raised to 3 by 2x dx. Now, this problem can be solved using property P4. Okay. What was property P4? Property P4 was integral from 0 to a fx dx. This is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Means keeping the same limit 0 to a. Here you will keep the limit 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Okay. The function fx will be same. Only the thing is that variable x will be replaced by upper limit minus x. Okay, so you get same function sin raised to 3 by 2, x will be replaced by upper limit pi by 2 minus x. In the denominator, sin raised to 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x minus cos raised to 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, this gives you integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x gives you cos raised to 3 by 2x. In the denominator also you get cos raised to 3 by 2x plus sin raised to 3 by 2x dx. This question was your equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay, what we have did till now, we have used property P4. Okay, we have used property P4. In property P4, function will be same. Here the function is sin upon sin plus cos. Sin raised to 3 by 2 upon sin raised to 3 by 2 plus cos raised to 3 by 2. Okay, clear? The variable x is replaced by upper limit minus x, means pi by 2 minus x. We have replaced this. Now sin of pi by 2 minus x gives you cos x. In the denominator also sin of pi by 2 minus x gives you cos x, and cos of pi by 2 minus x gives you sin x. You get this. Okay. Now what you have to do? Add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. I plus I gives you 2i. You get integral from 0 to pi by 2. You get sin to the power 3 by 2 angle x upon sin to the power 3 by 2 angle x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 angle x dx plus integral from 0 to pi by 2. Here you get cos to the power 3 by 2x upon cos to the power 3 by 2x plus sin to the power 3 by 2x dx. Okay, clear? Now till now what we have seen, we used to split the terms, we used to separate the integrals. Okay, now in this case we will do the reverse thing. We will combine them. You can see integral from 0 to pi by 2, integral from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so this gives you integral from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, you will add this term and this term. Once again, you can see denominator is same, sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x. Here also sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x. So add them. Okay, when you add them, in the numerator you get sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x, and in the denominator you are having same, sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x dx. This gives you integral from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 1 dx. This gives you x within limit 0 to pi by 2, and this gives you pi by 2. Okay, but remember that is the value of 2i. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 4. I is equal to pi by 4. Okay, the most easiest problem. Now, based on this, or you can say by same method, okay, you have problem number 1. Answer will be pi by 4. You have problem number 2, answer will be pi by 4. You have problem number 4, 3 हमने solve किया है. You have problem number 4, again answer will be pi by 4. आपको सब केसेस में यही करना है जो हमने इस केस में किया हुआ है. Okay, further, based on the same, you have problem number 15. Answer is 0. Okay, based on same you have problem number 15, answer is 0. Based on same you have problem number 17. Okay, answer is a by 2. Answer is a upon 2. Okay, based on same you have problem number 21. Answer is 0. Okay, answer is 0. Now remember one thing, in all these problems of this exercise, problem 1, problem 2, problem 4, problem 15, problem 17, problem 21, okay, in all these problems you have to apply the same property P4. Okay, you have to apply the same property P3, sorry, not P4. Okay, you have to apply the same property. Integral from 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Sorry, once again P4. You have to apply the same property P4. Okay, take the question as equation 1, apply property P4, you get another equation 2, add 1 and 2. In all these cases you have to do the same. When you add here, when you add here, when you add here, you will get integral from 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, that is the value of 2i. Solving gives you pi by 4. In this case adding gives you 0. ओके, जब आप ऐड करोगे तो न्यूमरेटर एक दूसरे के नेगेटिव्स हो जाएंगे, डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा, 0 आ जाएगा. इन दिस केस व्हेन यू ऐड यू विल गेट लॉग ऑफ वन टर्म प्लस लॉग ऑफ अदर टर्म, और ये जो टर्म्स है एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल्स रहेंगे. मीन्स एडिंग गिव्स यू लॉग ऑफ 1 एंड दैट गिव्स यू 0. ओके, इन दिस केस हियर यू गेट 1 बट द लिमिट्स विल बी 0 to a and that gives you a, but that is the value of 2i. I will give you a by 2. Okay, clear? So by same method you can proceed in these problems. Please note it down and do the practice for the remaining problems.